The intended goal of this module is to introduce you to the pages that you can use to review grades in PowerTeacher Pro. We will look at the comment verification page, the categories totals page, and the all reporting terms page. First, we'll look at the comment verification page. You'll want to use this page when you're getting ready for report cards for any term. It provides information similar to the comment verification report available in PowerTeacher Gradebook. For teachers in grades K through 2, this is where the student's final grade, S, N, or U, can be entered for each term. However, before going to that page, make certain that settings are correct. To check your settings, go to Settings, Display Settings, and the only value that should be checked to show in the traditional grade column for grades K through 2 is grade. Now, to go to the comment verification page, go to your A+ grading charm, grades, and choose comment verification. To enter a grade, click in the cell beside the student's name, choose the appropriate grade, and then quickly fill down using the arrow. After filling down through all of them, you can go back to any ones that need to be changed and make that necessary change. Remember to save when complete. Also, this is where teachers in grades K through 2 will click the Final Grade Status button to let the data manager know that your grades have been reviewed, your comments have been reviewed, and that it is ready for her to store for report cards. For teachers in grades 3 through 12, you will use the comment verification page to review grades at the end of a term in preparation for sending report cards home. You can do a manual grade override on this page. A black triangle will appear in the cell after a manual override has been entered. For all grades, to add a comment, select a student's final grade. If you want to choose a comment from the comment bank, click on the comment icon and then choose Comment Bank. It may take them a minute to load. You'll find the comment that you want and click the plus sign, and you notice it puts it in the box. Now I'm going to go back to that comment and I'm going to take student, and I'm going to change that to the student's first name as it is in PowerSchool. I'm going to add another comment and notice I've used two pronouns, he and his. And now I'm going to close that comment box. Still staying, I've clicked on the cell with the comment. I'm now going to choose to fill down. Choose comments only. Yes, I want to use Smart Text. Okay, and notice that it has filled the comments all the way down, and it has personalized each comment. I can go there by clicking on a comment and individually change any that may need to be changed. If you don't want to use a comment from the comment bank, then you would just click in the cell and go down here to the bottom and start typing your comment. And again, Smart Text will work there. So after you've reviewed all grades, made any changes you need to make, you've entered comments, reviewed all of those, and by the way, using Smart Text eliminates the need for taking that comment and typing it into a Word file and checking it for spelling and grammar. This does have grammar and spelling check in the program. So I've done all that. I'm now going to save it. Now, if you'll notice at the bottom is a final grade status button. This is how you're going to let your data manager know that you have reviewed your grades, you have reviewed your comments, and you are ready for her to save them, to store them, so she can print report cards. So I'm going to click this button, And be careful or you will miss clicking this. It says Q1 final grades are complete. You have to check that box. If there's a comment you want to, any information you need to give your data manager, you can enter that there, and your data manager is the only person who will see it. And after you finish, you're going to click the Save button. That lets her know that you are ready for her to store grades. Please understand that if you choose this without checking your grades and your comments, and you have incorrect grades or comments that have to be changed after your data manager has stored grades, the impact of that is that it creates a lot of work for your data manager. The category totals page is useful only to teachers in grades 3 through 12. Use this page to assess how students performed in one assignment category versus another, or to analyze the difficulty of one category type versus another. To navigate to the category totals page, select the grading charm and then choose category totals. The active categories for the selected class appear with the current score for each student in that category. If you need to do a manual override of a grade, you can do that here. A black triangle appears in the upper left corner of the grade field that was changed. Remember to save. Use the All Reporting Terms page to work with the final grades for all reporting terms. To navigate to this page, select Grading from the Charms bar and then choose All Reporting Terms. Each column represents a different reporting term. Obviously, I'm using data from last year. You can do a manual override for any term on this page. Please remember that when doing a manual override, both the final grade and the percentage must be the same. If they're not, you should change both. I would not change this because 64.85 rounds up to 65. Override any grades as needed. Remember, the black triangle will indicate that it was an override. Once you've made your edits, remember to click Save. With all of the pages that we've looked at in this module, in this video, you can navigate to other pages using the quick menu at the top.